And now how it looks in the sunshine, or at least on a cloudy day. But that looks absolutely brilliant. Hey guys, welcome back. So here I am with my TT, and obviously you can see that the front grille just here is very faded. I've tried all the different stuff, like different waxes, different oils and stuff, make it kind of like more pop out, maybe more black. It works okay for a little while, and then it just fades back to being grey again. So in this video we're going to do something totally different. We're going to modify the front grille. Yeah, and by modify I mean we're going to paint it. So that's how it looks on the car. You can see it is very faded. It's kind of gone, nearly rub it to get some colour back into it. But yeah, it's basically, it was black and now it's gone grey. Okay, we now have the grille removed and we've given it a light sanding. This gets rid of any of that grey plastic residue that's been sitting on the grille. Now it gets ready for paint. First coat, just do a light misting. Okay, that's now what the grille looks like from spraying it from a few different angles, and there's a few different coats now on it. So I have pretty good coverage everywhere. I'm pretty happy with that. You're only going to see a small bit of the grille anyway. You're not going to see all the way in there anyway. So I'm really happy how it turned out. So I think I've had like 3 or 4 coats onto it, and now I'm just hitting with the heat gun as well, just to make it dry that little bit quicker. But really happy with the results. So this is the plastic primer that I used. It's a grey plastic primer, and basically what it does is the plastic is smooth, the paint needs something to grip to. So the glue, I think, in the primer, and as the paint dries, the glue is there ready to accept the paint, so the paint has something to actually latch onto or grab onto, and that's how you get a nice uniform paint. If I was to paint it without using the plastic primer, it would look fantastic, but after a while it would kind of lift up like a skin off the entire piece. So it's better practice to put down the plastic primer and then put the paint on top of it. Okay, next I'm getting ready to spray it with gloss black. So the first layer is just a dust layer, just to get the paint to stick to something. Okay, just turned it around, second coat on, starting to get black. I think this is layer number 3. It's starting to look really good now. Okay, I'm getting really happy now with the results. Okay, and that's it now with loads of coats of black on it, so it's gloss black. My original plan was to go to anthracite grey, but just being a grey car as well, I just thought maybe the black might be nicer, maybe stand out a little bit better. Plus when I put Degreaser onto it, it turned out like this kind of black anyway. I thought it was lovely. So what we're going to do is now leave that to cure, probably for another few hours, then we'll hopefully install it onto the car. But for this video, that's it now, pretty much done. And now how it looks in the sunshine, or at least on a cloudy day. But that looks absolutely brilliant. Try not to drop it now. Really happy with those results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you later.